Smoke until a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all this.
What's up, dogs? How are we doing? So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick little video on how to take this thing apart. This is a 95 Chevy Astro, and so there's not really a clear definitive way of like a video on how to take these things apart. Online it doesn't really talk about age ranges. I want to say it's a slightly different after from 96 up, maybe 97. I want to say there's a slight difference in how you in the process of taking the door panel off. These door panels come off in one section. A series of clips around the outside, and there's two screws in the there's two screws in the armrest right here, boom and boom, and that's what you have to take out. Those are the only two fasteners that you have to take out to get this thing off. And then of course all my 3/8 are gone. 3/8 is gone, 3/8 is gone. This is 3/8. That's a 3/8 fucking. It's a freaking 10, everybody. It's a freaking 10. And that, these are freaking long screws. One. There's four. One in each corner here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so there you go. This just comes apart. A little clip right there. Focus. There you go. Little clip right there. Not too bad. Oh shit, you know what? Let's roll it the other way like smart people. There you go. Genius. Right. So these motors right here. Hold on, is it focused again? Cool. This goes there. I'm cheap, so I didn't buy the one that's with the whole assembly here, and I'm kind of glad I didn't, because this looks like it's been replaced before. So I might have gotten lucky here, because if this has been replaced before, then I don't have to drill out it. I don't even fucking. Yeah, the chicken's defrosted, but you can get whatever you want, you know. How can this thing just not pop off? Oh, there you go. Good on. Good on you, mate. So you just don't give up. You know what I'm saying? Eventually it'll come out. Boom. So that's a Delco too. I don't know. No idea why that would have went bad, but it did, nonetheless. Yeah, I probably should clean this out, put some different grease in it. I probably should clean this out, right? I'm not going to do it half-assed. I'm going to clean it out, put some grease in it, put it the proper way. If you weren't watching though, I'd probably just do it. Okay, so long story short, I had to drill out that rivet, the last one, because for whatever reason it didn't want to come out. So long story short, that's how you get that done. If it doesn't come out by itself, take some forceful manipulation. You just go ahead and make that happen. So I'm just gonna fill this up with some wheel bearing grease. It's pretty much all I got, but it's high temp, you know. Got some Mobil 1 full synthetic. Should be good. Grease this puppy up and shove her on in there. There we go. Wham. Oh shit. Come on. Is there... There you go. Wham. Right there. Alright. I'm gonna rivet this thing back together. For a multitude of reasons, but mainly because I don't feel like sticking my freaking fingers behind this thing to try to get it there. Oh, that's how you want to play the game, huh? All right, here we go, moment of truth. So just to recap, replace this motor. It had screws in it previously. They come factory riveted into the what can I think about, the window regulator. So long story short, I wanted to rivet it again because I like rivets. They're easy to do, and you don't have to hold your finger back here and try to get it to stick and whatever else. So I only did have 3 in here right now. I wasn't there. My camera died, so these tracks are a little funky. This window works, but when I practiced it, when I tried it earlier, the tracks were a little sticky. So they work pretty good now. I just sprayed them with white lithium grease, so I'm gonna have to go back there and clean all that stuff up. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put this thing back together here real quick, because as in earlier in this video, you could tell I was dying because it was freaking hot outside, like insanely hot before this. Now it's about to rain, and my shit's completely apart, as usual. So I'm also unprepared for that. So now it's the mad dash to try to go ahead and get this done before it freaking rains everywhere. Because it's coming. Pressure's dropping, buddy. Alright. So pretty much with reassembly, obviously you just go back in the same way you came out, huh? Alright, so got the handle back in. Check to make sure it works, obviously. Alright, so what the hell came off of that thing? Huh. An old, like a speaker hole or something. So the door panel just holds on with this clips, with a set of clips up on top here. Just make sure those are set down there real good. And before I go clicking all that stuff in there, I'm gonna make sure all this goes in here. I saw them. Oh, they're right there.
So are you fixing that the same way you fix my glasses, or no?
Yeah, no. Professionally. Well, it could be more important than what I got going on right now, I guess, but whatever. I'm gonna call them back anyways because it's freaking gonna rain. Oh, there you go. Boom. You gotta be fucking off. Oh. She works. That's nice. So, shit, camera's about that high. Overall, 3 out of 10. Very simple. Just have a drill, a number 10, and then a number 20 Torx. Very simple. If you do have any questions, shoot me a DM, drop a comment, whatever else. Look out for some other content that we're going to be coming your way. Auction Dog's got a lot of stuff coming in the future, y'all. Thank you very much.